Hello, Sleek Bill users. Welcome back to the Sleek Bill Knowledge Hub.
Sometimes the billing address and delivery address are different. In such cases, adding the shipping address to your quotation or pro forma helps avoid confusion and makes your document look more professional. So let's see how you can enable it in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and visit Sleek Bill official website. Now click on the login button, enter your email ID and password, then click on sign in. Once you log in successfully, you'll reach the Sleek Bill dashboard. From here, go to the Preferences section. Now click on the Quotation and Proforma tab. Here, you'll find an option called Show Shipping Address. Simply turn this option on
and click on the Save button.
and that's it. Now, whenever you create a new quotation, the customer's shipping address will automatically appear on the document. This feature is very useful for businesses involved in product delivery, trading, wholesale, and online sales because it helps improve delivery accuracy and keeps quotations in proforma clear and professional. Thank you for watching this video. For more helpful tutorials and billing tips, stay connected with Sleek Bill Knowledge Hub.